Hi guys, welcome back. We're rolling out a recipe for our celebrity mom, Whitney Husbands. And this here is a bun garlic, but it flavored this oil in ways that you would not believe. If this oil wasn't hot, I would drink it.
Oh,
But that
is that real?
Is that real? Is that real? Garlic flavored oil. So for people who could whip up a curry, you know that we really whip up a curry.
Quick.
Quick.
Yeah.
I can't do that.
Okay.
You didn't see that one coming?
Yeah, I wasn't
I
expecting
can't do
that.
that one. But there are ways that you can do it and trick the system.
Okay.
And it
Show
can
me
be
that, because
just
I
as
love
flavorful.
to whip. And I wish I could be cooking with you right now, but I know because of COVID.
We can't.
Yes.
We have to be a little social distance. So you know
Yes.
who's mom's best friend? You know who's your best friend?
My daughter.
Her name, your new best friend. Her name is Grace.
Oh. Okay. Yes, okay. Quick.
Her name is Grace.
Quick,
Right?
okay.
She has a range of ingredients that you can just pull together in the kitchen very, very quickly and make fantastic meals.
Love it.
And that's what I'm going to do for you today. So
Okay.
this is ready for like after Mother's Day when you have to do all the cooking. Grace's mom's best friend. I have some oil. I have some curry. I am doing a cocoa curry jerk salmon.
Excuse me.
Hey, I just come up with that name.
I love it.
Cocoa curry. So it's a little coconut curry. And I have some curry, good old Trini curry, that I just want to get in the garlic oil I tell you about there. And cook the curry off. Important to cook the curry off. So it's had a smelly curry. While that is doing a couple minutes, Whitney, I would have seen you develop in your career and becoming a mom 4 or 5 years ago,
Yeah.
balancing motherhood and a busy broadcasting television radio personality. How did you do that over the last few years?
It was really challenging, but I will say support. Support is important. You must have that. And because of my parents and Zaylee's dad also giving me that support and his parents giving us that support, it really assisted a lot. Because without that support, I think that was key. I wouldn't be able to do a lot of things that I'm
That you
able,
are
to do. Yeah, because to pay for a sitter or even trust a sitter or trust someone to see about, your child is a serious thing. And I have to send love to my father's sister, Auntie Jessica, because she's very instrumental too. From the time she was born, she was on deck with me, and you have work was going on, and so
Support.
the family support was key.
Moms need support.
Yeah,
Moms
we
need
do,
support.
definitely.
You do salmon?
Of course.
Okay. So would you think of currying salmon?
No, I've never had curry salmon. I know usually it will be grilled or sauteed, but I've never had it.
I have never had it either.
And then this is jerk, curry jerk.
So I'm gonna get to the jerk.
Right.
But I'm just going to do a curry. I'm just gonna get the salmon tossed and sauteed no longer than about a minute and a half in the curry. So I never had curry salmon, and I just want to get a nice little sear. I don't want to overcook it with me.
Okay.
Because salmon
it can cook really quickly. Yeah.
And I'm going to put it back in. So I'm going to do it a very quick sear, as you see it searing here.
About a minute.
Just about a minute. I'm going to take it out of my pot.
Oh, child. I love food and I love my belly.
This is love. So you could eat this just like this, and it'll be fantastic. But I'm going to take it up a notch. So I'm going to add some more oil to my pot. More curry.
Can't go wrong with more curry.
More curry. So a nice heaping tablespoon of curry. Jeera. Flavor him up. At this stage, a little salt, a little pepper, and do the same thing I told you. Just allow it a couple minutes. There's some garlic that I really just want.
So you're gonna crush it?
This is my favorite.
I need to get that.
Yeah.
Because I love garlic though, huh?
Garlic.
I usually over the pot like this.
Just like
to
that.
the little grater.
Nah, yeah. That was smell. Have your hands smelling now. Wasting
when I
time.
finish, I
Right?
walked in.
Garlic in there.
Yeah.
Just get the garlic and
bag.
I have some sweet peppers, red, green, whichever you like. Get it in there. I have some shadow benny. Must have shadow benny. So with me, everything here you can do.
I can, of course.
Grace's mom's best friend, and you can whip up this very, very simply. You don't have to be a master chef. Don't gotta be a master chef.
And I know my way around the kitchen.
Right. You
So
know where the
this is
fridge
a
is.
certain bar, yeah.
You know where the stove. You know where the stove.
Yeah, of course. Yeah. I know what is a tablespoon versus a teaspoon.
Right.
I understand all of
the
that.
The pot spoon.
Correct.
Yeah, they're knives.
And the knives, yeah.
Yeah, they're
and
knives.
you don't use the soup spoon for the dessert spoon. So yeah, I'm good to go. I'm good to go.
You had the basics down.
Yeah, the basics.
You had the basics down.
Yeah.
Grace is mom's best friend, I told you.
Right, so we're doing the coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Okay.
I want an entire can in here.
Oh, so the entire can.
All that wonderful flavor, plus this wonderful coconut milk. Oh my goodness gracious. You don't have to slave, you know, people slaving over the pot. This literally, Grace's mom's best friend will take you no more than 10-15 minutes in the kitchen once you have everything prepared.
And
this wonderful salmon.
Quick in the kitchen.
So I really want to do something. I really want to do something for you.
What's that?
I want you to taste the salmon just before. How's that? It's good?
Yeah, and it didn't even take that long.
And imagine I haven't put the little kick in it. I am adding the jerk. So
and I love spicy
cocoa curry jerk. Cocoa curry jerk. I want to know, are you a spicy girl? Mm-hmm. You are? So go hard?
Yeah, you can go hard or go home.
I like it.
I used to eat raw pepper, but I stopped.
You stop?
Yeah, my stomach, you know, when I get up in age.
Yeah, that happened to me.
That's the change.
So this goes back. That salmon that just tasted there is going to get more flavor now with this jerk cocoa curry sauce that I'm building here. It goes back in here. So this is where you now need to just be very careful. Gently toss and fold into this wonderful sauce and allow it to envelop these flavors.
Okay. And how long that will take?
No more than 5 minutes, 3 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
This salmon is already pre-cooked, as I told you.
Right.
So just about 3 to 5 minutes. And another little quick trick. This is cornstarch in a little bit of water. It forms just a little slurry. And you just pour that in here.
But not much?
Not much. Just a little, just about, say 2 tablespoons.
Okay.
And what that does, it thickens it up nicely.
Okay.
A little cornstarch,
so it will be
a little
too
bit
watery.
of water. No. Right? You leave that for no more than 3 to 5 minutes. Cover it down.
Yeah, let's time that.
And time it. But we don't have 5 minutes here to waste. So I'm ready to plate for you, you know.
But you're not eating now? You're not playing?
I'm not playing. I have a lovely finished one here, just waiting for you. Curry salmon. If you've never had it before, guys, get the recipe on Cup of Joe Caribbean on our YouTube channel. Whitney.
You know what this means? This sign?
What that sign means?
My chops come out and they're
chops
ready.
come out?
Yeah, my chops are out.
My lady, do enjoy.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Happy Mother's May from the entire Cup of Joe team.
Cheers, guys.
Tell me how it's tasting. Tell me if you're going to home and make this one for
I
Zaylee.
always bless my food.
Yes.
All right, let's do it, man. I'm going into the salmon first. Oh, God. I'm getting the hint of the coconut milk, but not too much.
Right. The jerk hit in the back of your throat yet?
It's nice, very subtle heat.
Very subtle heat. Very subtle
Nothing
heat.
too, it all depends on how spicy or how much heat you're looking for.
And the thing about Grace jerk seasoning is that there's a mild and a spicy. Green for mild, red for spicy. We want to thank the folks at Grace for making it possible, guys. Whitney Husbands, we want to thank her for dropping by. When we come back, more of Whitney because she has dessert still to get. Come on back. Yeah. Roll Out a Recipe comes to you courtesy Grace Jerk Seasonings.